Hello and welcome to the channel Automation Step by Step. I'm Raghav and today we are going to learn how to install Jira on Mac operating system. So we will look at a prerequisite and then we will download Jira for Mac operating system. We will learn how to start and shut down Jira server. We will set up the home directory and then finally we will set up Jira for use. So let us begin, and the prerequisite for installing Jira on Mac operating system is Java must be installed on your system. So to check, you can go to your terminal and say Java space hyphen version, and this should show you your Java version currently installed. In case you are not getting this, you can install Java first and you can go to my channel on YouTube, which is Automation Step by Step, and here you can go to the playlists and you will find a playlist for Java. Here you can watch the tutorial on how to install or update Java on Mac. We also have a session for Windows, but you can watch it on Mac if you are using this on Mac. And then if you have this prerequisite completed, step number 2 will be we will download Jira for Mac operating system, and this is the site where you will download it from. So you can go to Google and you can say download Jira and we will get to this site. Let us go here, and here you will get this information. It is free for 30 days for unlimited users, and here you can select your operating system. So I will select OS 10 and then download. So it will take a few seconds to few minutes to download. So I have already downloaded it. Let me show you the downloaded zip file. So if I go to my downloads folder, you can see this is the zip file which will get downloaded, and you will unzip this. So I have unzipped it and kept on my desktop here. So this is the unzipped folder. So now the third step is we have to learn how to start and shut down Jira, or you can also say the Jira Tomcat server, because Jira comes with the Tomcat server. So you have to go to the bin directory inside the folder and you will find startup.sh and shutdown.sh files, and these are the files that we will run to start and shut down Jira server. So let us learn that. I will go inside my folder, and here you can see there is a bin directory, and inside bin you will find this startup.sh and shutdown.sh. Here we have startup.sh and here we have shutdown.sh. So to start, you can go to terminal and go to the location of the bin folder. So for example, I will just press command I on my keyboard to get this information and copy the location of this folder, and then I will go to my terminal and I will change the directory to this bin folder of Jira, and now I can say sh startup.sh and hit enter, and you will see this information and it should show you Tomcat started. And to check, you can go to your browser and you can go to localhost 8080. So as of now it is still not running. You can run this command again. And yes, so see now the Jira server is up, but there was some problem and it is saying we cannot locate the Jira home directory. So we have to set up the home directory. So what I will do, I will shut it down. So let me say sh shutdown.sh and Tomcat is stopped. So if I go to localhost 8080 now, so you can see the server is stopped, and now we will learn how to set up the home directory. And this we have already seen that you can go to localhost 8080 to check if the Jira server is running. And to set the home directory, you have to go to this file jira-application.properties, which is inside the WEB-INF classes folder, and here you have to provide a location for Jira home. So let us see how to do that. So I will go to the folder, Jira folder, and we have to go to Atlassian-Jira folder. Here you will have WEB-INF and here you will have classes, and here you should find a file Jira application properties. So you can open this file with any text editor. On my system, I have a text wrangler. Let me find that. Yes, I will open this, and you can see here it is asking for a location for Jira home. So you can create any folder and then provide that folder as Jira home. So I'm going to create a folder on my desktop itself, and I will name this folder as Jira home. Hit enter and just press command I to copy its location, and I will give the same location on this file. Let me give this location. So this is Jira home, and you can save it and close it. Okay, and see, you if you open this folder, as of now this is empty, but as we will now start our Jira server, you will see there are folders and files getting created here. All the logs will get here as well. So now let me go back to my terminal and again say sh startup.sh, and it says Tomcat started. Let me go to my browser, localhost 8080. Let me run the start command again, and let me now go to localhost 8080, and now you can see Atlassian-Jira is starting up. So it means it is taking up our home directory as well. It might take a few seconds to start up. Also, if you now go to your Jira home folder, let me go inside the folder, and you can see all these logs and all these information is now getting created inside this folder. Okay, now see, for the first time it will have this information if you want to set up yourself or you want set it up for me. So this is our next step. You have to set up Jira for use. So we have started our Jira server, and now we will complete the setup. So you can click on set it up for me and say continue. Here you will have to select the product. So let me select Jira software and select Jira software server. You can name any organization here, up and running, and then generate license. So here it will give you the information of your license. You can say yes, confirmation, and here it will ask you for some email IDs and then password, and retype the password. So let me give me some email ID here. Let me give some password here. Say next. So now it will finally set up all the instances and everything that Jira requires on this particular machine. So let us wait for a few seconds for this setup to get completed. Meantime, let us look at some tips. So instead of localhost, you can also use the IP 127.0.0.1, which is the IP for localhost, or you can also use your system's public IP instead of localhost. So instead of localhost here, you can use this IP, and you can now see the Jira is ready to go and you can get started with Jira. I hope this session was useful for you. If you find it helpful, you can share it with others, and also do subscribe to this channel. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.